This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, I am French, but I spent quite a few years making wine in Spain, so my Spanish is also fluent, so this is why we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous white wine grape variety originating from Spain and grown in particular in the northwestern part of Spain in the region of Gallicia, around the area of Rias Baixas, DO, or the appellation of Rias Baixas in particular. So we are looking at how to pronounce the correct Spanish pronunciation of Albariño. Alvariño. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, first Al, just like the first name Al, and then ba, ri, I in Spanish sounding like a double E, so ri. You can say re if you cannot roll the R like the Spanish do, re, otherwise say re. And then the N or the N with the tilde, the little sign on it, meaning that you have to say ñ, nio, Albariño, Albariño. You can say Albariño with an English sounding pronunciation, Albariño. For the typical Spanish pronunciation, say Albariño, Albariño. Albariño. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino, in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Adios.